Watermelon. We're using a watermelon. That's the watermelon juice. This is baking soda. Carbonate. That's baking soda. This is my egg. I have a carbonate watermelon scrub and egg mask. On egg mask, it depends. If you have oil skin, you use egg white. If you have dry skin, you use the yolk for egg mask. So this is what we are going to use. The good thing, you can also use this mask on your hands to have soft hands. Baking soda is good. It removes dead cells on the skin, and the watermelon helps to brighten up your skin and it clears spots. That is the good news. So now that's the best you can apply on the skin scrub. You can use it twice per week. Twice per week, it's okay. Even in the neck, I scrub my neck. Sometimes I like scrubbing my neck as well. Like I said, you can also scrub your hands. You can scrub your hands as well. Now I'm going to wash my face. Since it's a scrub, I have to put egg mask. I'm going to wash my face and my hands. I'm done washing. Just pat dry. You feel the change as soon as you wash. Your skin will be so smooth. Now I have to apply egg white because my face is oily. I use egg white mask. I made a hole on the egg so I can have my egg white. I don't want to collect everything. I just want egg white. Then just collect it in your hand. See, that's the gel, and apply on the skin. Egg your mask. It helps to firm, tightens the skin. Some few minutes of feel the tightening. You won't be able to laugh when it dries off. So you can leave it for 20 minutes or just until when it dries, then go and wash your face. See, I use egg white. Okay, let me wait for 20 minutes or until it dries. Then I'll come and show you how it looks like. Then I'll go and wash. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm sharing, please do me a huge favor. Support me by subscribing, like and share the video. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. It's dry now. It's dry now. 20 minutes is too much. I think within 10 minutes, can see your face becomes tight. Can't even smile. Now I'm going to wash. If you like what I did share, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.